Hello and welcome to the Ken Verkamel Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we look at the surrogates in New Jersey. In New Jersey, probate matters are handled by two courts, the County Surrogate and the Superior Court Chancery Division Probate Part. Most probate matters are handled by the Surrogates Court, which is a court of limited jurisdiction. Each of New Jersey's 21 counties has an elected surrogate. So probate in the Superior Court is initiated by typically the executor. So to probate the will, all that we need to do is have the executor go to the surrogate's office with the original will, an original death certificate, check for about $150. Typically what the attorney will do is fax an information sheet to the surrogate's office with the original will, or a copy of the will, and the copy of the death certificate. That way, many times by the time the surrogate's office opens up and the executor goes there, the surrogate has everything typed up, and the only thing the executor has to do is sign the papers there and pay the fees. The next thing to do is the mandatory notice of probate. So the attorney typically will type up a formal notice of probate to be served upon everyone who's listed in the will, any charities listed in the will, the attorney general if there's a charity, and also they have to serve a formal notice on anyone that was disinherited in the will. So that is if someone would have inherited if there was no will at all. The notice of probate must state the will has been admitted to probate, the place and date of probate, the name and address of the executor, and a statement that a copy of the will be furnished upon request. A certification of the notice of probate then is filed by the attorney with the county surrogate's office. The county surrogate's office then is not involved with the rest of the estate in 99% of the matters. But at the end, what has to happen is the executor prepares a informal accounting. It's served upon all the different beneficiaries. And the attorney will then prepare what's called a release and refunding bond, setting forth what the person is going to get. The beneficiaries all need to sign the release and refunding bond in front of a notary, and then once the attorney gets those back, they file them with the county surrogate. As long as all the beneficiaries sign the release and refunding bond, then it gets filed with the surrogate, and the executor can distribute the money. However, if one of the beneficiaries does not sign the release and funding bond, then the executor can't distribute the money to anyone, and there has to be a procedure in front of the Superior Court Chancery Division Probate Part to approve the accounting, which sometimes takes 6 months or a year. So this is why we try to get all the beneficiaries to agree so that everything goes by smoother. To contact the Ocean County Surrogate's office, they're at 118 Washington Street, Toms River, New Jersey. Their phone number is 732-929-2011. And for other information on probate and surrogates in New Jersey, visit website njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Kenneth Verkamen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.